Good morning, students. Welcome back to your maths class. We were doing which chapter? We were doing applications to trigonometry. We have learned identities and we were doing question number 5. We have done part 1, 2, 3 and 2 examples. One example is left. We will do that today. Okay? Because today one question, part number 5, which we do that is same as example. So we will do both the questions all together, so that you understand them well, as both the questions are very important and little tricky also. So understand them well, practice them well. Okay, so let's start. Question number 5, part 4. We have to start with it. With this, we have done part 4 already, part 3 already. Now part number 4. 1 plus sec A upon sec A is equal to sin square A 1 minus cos A. Okay, this is LHS, this is RHS. I told you we are having 3 methods to solve a question. One, we have to take LHS to RHS. Second, from RHS to LHS. Third, LHS to one place, RHS to one place, and then both the parts are same. Okay, in this we'll adopt the third method. We'll solve LHS to a certain extent, we'll solve RHS to a certain extent, and then both the parts are same. Then we could say LHS is equal to RHS. Let's do it. LHS 1 plus 1 upon cos upon 1 upon cos. Sec is 1 upon cos, I have written this. Sec is 1 upon cos, I have written this. I will take the LCM in numerator. I will have cos A plus 1 upon cos A, 1 upon cos A. I will cancel these both. So, I will get cos A plus 1. Now, I will solve RHS. Sin square A. We know sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. So, sin square A is equal to 1 minus cos square A. 1 minus cos A. And we have done in one previous question. Similarly, we have to do 1 minus cos square A means 1 minus cos A, 1 plus cos A. Because we can take it as this, A square minus B square. So, A plus B, A minus B. We will take it as 1 minus cos A, 1 plus cos A. And here we will have 1 minus cos A. It will cancel. So, we will get 1 plus cos A. So, we can write LHS is equal to RHS. And here we will write sec A is equal to 1 upon cos A. Cos square A plus sin square A is equal to 1. A square minus B square is equal to A plus B, A minus B. Whatever we are using, we have to write. We have to show whatever identities, whatever formulas we have used. So in this, you have seen, we have started with LHS, we have reached here. We have started with RHS, we have reached here. And cos A plus 1 or 1 plus cos A, both are same. So we have written LHS is equal to RHS, hence proved. Okay. Now we will do example. We have left with one example, that is example number 15. Till the time I am rubbing the boards, you can read the example and you can mark it as important also. Example 50. Sin theta minus cos theta plus 1 sin theta plus cos theta minus 1 is equal to 1 upon sec theta minus tan theta. Now we have to take care that we have to prove RHS and we need expression in denominator. So whatever changes we'll do that in denominator. Second thing, here we are having sin and cos, and here we are having sec and tan. So we can convert it in sec and tan. How we can do it? I can write it as sin theta by cos theta minus cos theta by cos theta plus 1 by cos theta. It means I have divided numerator as well as denominator by cos theta. And I can write here dividing numerator and denominator by cos theta. Now sin theta by cos theta is equal to, sin by cos is tan theta minus 1 plus 1 upon cos is sec theta. Here I am having tan theta plus 1 minus sec theta. Now I got the numbers in sec and tan. Now I will change the denominator. And what I will change? I will change 1. We have done one identity, tan square theta plus 1 is equal to sec square theta. It means 1 is equal to sec square theta minus tan square theta. I will do that. I will change the denominator and write numerator as it is. I will write tan theta minus sec theta plus sec square theta minus tan square theta. A square minus b square. I will open this. Numerator as it is, tan theta minus 1 plus sec theta. See what I have done. I was here tan theta minus sec theta. I have taken minus common. So I got sec theta minus tan theta. Signs are changed. And here a square minus b square, a minus b, a plus b. Now I am having two terms. One is this, one is this. And sec theta minus tan theta is common in both. I will take that common. Numerator again as it is. Take the common sec theta minus tan theta. What is left? Minus 1 plus sec theta plus tan theta. I have taken minus common here, so sec theta was minus, it has become plus. Tan theta was plus, it has become minus. Now I got minus 1, I will tally minus 1 plus sec theta plus tan theta. It can be cancelled. So I got 1 upon sec theta minus tan theta is equal to RHS. Am I clear? Here we have to take care one thing, that first we will convert cos, sin, whatever we have into the terms which is given on the RHS, like sec and tan in this question. Then we are having expression in denominator. So we will do changes in denominator only. We won't change the numerator. Okay? If you will do opposite, then you will not get the answer. Now we will do fifth part. Fifth part is cos A minus sin A plus 1 cos A plus sin A minus 1 is equal to cosec A plus cot A. I will repeat the question. Cos A minus sin A plus 1. Cos A plus sin A minus 1 is equal to cosec A plus tan A. First we will change cos and sin in cosecant, cot, so we will divide it by sin. Cos A by sin A, sin A by sin A plus 1 by sin A. Cos A by sin A, sin A by sin A minus 1 upon sin A. We will solve it now. Is equal to cos by sin is cot A minus 1 plus cosec A, cot A plus 1 minus cosec A, and we will write dividing both side by sin A. Now we need the answer in numerator, so we will change 1 in numerator only. We will have cot A plus cosec A minus cot square A. We will have cot square A minus cosec square A. Cosec square A minus cot square A. We have the identity 1 plus cot square A is equal to cosec square A. So we got 1 is equal to cosec square A minus cot square A is equal to cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. Again A square minus B square, we will open this. We will have cot A plus cosec A minus cosec A plus cot A, cosec A minus cot A. Cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. Denominator we are not changing, we are writing every time the same. Now we can take cot A plus cosec A common. Cot A plus cosec A 1 minus cosec A minus cot A upon cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. Now we will open this bracket. We will have cot A plus cosec A 1 minus cosec plus cot. Because outside we are having minus, so signs will change. Then we are having cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. 1 plus minus cosec plus cot A. It will cancel. So we will get cot A plus cosec A is equal to RHS. I hope now you understand what we have done. In these questions, we have to see how to reach at the destination. I told you we are having 3 ways. 1, LHS to RHS. Second, RHS to LHS. Third one is we'll solve the both RHS and LHS and reach at one place. Okay. Sometimes we get confused. What to do? No problem. No need to get afraid. Do more and more practice and try to simplify what is given. You can start with LHS up to the place where you can solve. Start with RHS, reach at to one place, and then you can equate them. Okay, so don't think that these are difficult, I won't touch it, I won't do it. You can do it, you can do anything if you want, only thing you have to do practice. And these 10 questions in 8.4 question number 5 and 3 examples. Out of these 13 questions, every time 1 or 2 questions come in the exam. So at least practice these 13 questions again and again. Okay, thank you.